श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 4th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, after Adiraju Pridhu Maharaju prayed Sriman Narayana, now Sriman Narayana saying to Pridhu like this, O Raja, it is good that you have a stable devotion towards me. With this intense devotion, Mayam Madiyam Taratisma Dustyajam, you will be easily able to conquer Maya. O Pridhu, from now onwards, as I said, keep ruling the kingdom very righteously and preserve dharmam. Those who follows my orders, sarvatra apnoti sobhanam, they always get good results. Like that, Sriman Narayana blessed Pridhu Maharaju and about to leave from there. Then, along with Paramatma, Devarshi, Pitru, Gandharva, Siddha, Charana, Pannagaha, all the Devatas, Rishis, Pitru Devatas, Gandharvas, Siddhas, Charanas, Pannagas, Kinnaras, Apsaras, all of them started going along with Paramatma. Pridhu Maharaju worshipped all of them and did namaskaram to all of them. Then everyone left from there. Pridhu Maharaju started feeling intense happiness within his mind, because the one who cannot be seen by anyone's eyes, I could see such great Paramatma Sriman Narayana. With that kind of joy, Pridhu Maharaju started going back to his kingdom. People came to know that Pridhu Maharaju is coming back. They started decorating palaces. They started decorating all the paths, ways, and they started doing Shankhanadam, all those great sounds, and Ritviks started doing Veda Parayana. Pridhu Maharaju, while enjoying all of them, but not at all feeling any kind of egoistic, he went into his palace. From then onwards, he started ruling the entire earth. And in the end, Aruruhe Param Padam, he has attained, Pridhu Maharaju has attained Sriman Narayana's divine feet, Paramapadam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. ముకుందమాల. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం.